Did I go to Temu and order every single jewelry that I saw? Every single thing that came across me and just add everything to the cart and purchase it? Yes, I totally did. Hi everyone, I'm so excited for today's video. It's going to be yet another Temu haul. This one is going to be a lot of jewelry. I might throw in some clothes and some handbags, but we're going to start off with a lot of jewelry. I'm excited. I picked up a lot of fun stuff and I'm hoping that I like majority of them. It's going to be an honest reaction. What I ordered versus what I got from Temu. Everything will be linked in the description box below for you guys. I will have it with the number. So whatever you see, there's going to be a number next to it, linked in the description box with the matching number. So everything is going to be easy for you guys to find. If you like this type of content, please subscribe to my channel. It costs you absolutely nothing, but it helps me a ton. Before I open any of the jewelry pieces that I got from Temu and show you guys the unboxing and the haul, I want to take a minute and just talk about this beautiful box that I received. This part of the video is a collaboration with Sayabling. Look at the packaging. Okay, this is so beautiful. You guys are going to love the jewelry because their brand is just so beautiful. So when you order from Sayabling, you get this beautiful packaging and they send their pieces in this beautiful boxes. And these boxes are just so stunning. They're like the velvety kind, very luxurious looking, definitely beautifully packaged. So you also receive these two cards in the box, and the first one is a jewelry care card. So it basically tells you how to care for your jewelry. So Sayabling says, shine as you are, which is so amazing. It says, taking care of your jewelry is important to maintain its sparkle and shine, of course. So it says, store your jewelry in a safe place, such as a jewelry box or a pouch. So you can just leave it in here to avoid scratches and other damages, which is great. And then it says, avoid wearing your jewelry while doing activities that involve water, such as swimming, showering, or washing dishes, because they're not solid gold. I think they are sterling silver with plating on it, I believe. And obviously you don't want to wet those. Okay, so the first thing I want to open with you guys is this beautiful necklace. Look at this stunning beauty, okay? This is what you get when you open the box. And I will definitely have close-up shots of this beautiful necklace, but look at how stunning this is. Look at the quality of this necklace. What I love about this necklace the most is that one side of it is this emerald gemstones, on the other side is clear gemstones. So that's so unique. And then when they come to the bottom, it's kind of like, to me, it seems like it's like a snake biting off its tail. So it's coming down and then it's connecting on the bottom like so. And then it drops and then it drops. And then the stones are going from the bottom like bigger. And then it goes to smaller. And then at the very end, at the drop, it is like a big stone. And that's how it ends. So I think this is stunning. This is one of those necklaces that will definitely make any outfit like stand out. It's going to elevate any look, and it looks so luxurious, and it's not even that expensive. These are the earrings that match the necklace that I just showed you guys. So one side of it is emerald stones and the other side is gemstones. It's basically just a match to the necklace I just showed you guys. And I love the design because it kind of has like it's like an oval and goes up and then it just goes this way. So it looks so nice on the ears. Very luxurious looking. It definitely looks so expensive. This design, the shape, this is unique. This is so unique. And when you go on their website, like everything they have on their website is unique. And the last but not least piece that they sent me from Sayabling is this gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous ring. I mean, look at the stunning ring that the, wow. Like, oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, so this ring is one of the most beautiful rings I've ever seen in my life. It's definitely a quality ring, and you can definitely tell, like, they put some effort on this ring. They put some work on this ring, and it is sterling silver, so obviously silver costs money. 4-carat round cut cluster flower cocktail ring. A dazzling piece that brings the beauty of nature to fine jewelry. They use lab-created diamonds and moissanite stones. So on their website, when you go through their website and you look at other jewelry, they do have options of lab-created diamonds, and they do have moissanites. So I believe these are moissanite stones. I will have all of them linked below along with their website. And if there's any promotions, discount codes, everything will be linked in the description box below. So make sure to check it out.